In today's video, I'll teach you how to see where you're logged in Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to see where you're logged in, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy, that you can see on the screen. Now over here you'll be able to find various options related with settings and privacy. Tap on this option, settings, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, account center, that you can see at top. Now you'll be able to access the account center. In order to see where you're logged in, tap on this option, password and security, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the password and security interface. Over here under the section for security checks, at first you'll be able to find this option for where you're logged in. Tap on it. Now tap on the account of your choice. Now you'll be able to see the devices that you're logged in over here. You can also select the devices to log out if you want. So like this, you'll be able to see where you're logged in. So that is how you see where you're logged in on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.